Popberry.
Today, I'm going to tell you a gentle story about a brave little turtle. Her name is Tina. It's called Tina the Tiny Turtle's Big Day. Are you ready? In a quiet little pond, surrounded by lily pads and tiny flowers, lived a very tiny turtle named Tina. She was the smallest turtle in Turtle Cove. She had a soft green shell, bright, curious eyes, and tiny feet that tickled the grass when she walked. Each morning, Tina sat on her favorite rock and watched her brothers and sisters swim. They laughed, splashed, and played in the big pond. But Tina had never swum before. Tina wasn't sure why she was scared. The water looked fun. Her family made it look easy. But deep inside, a tiny voice would whisper, "What if I sink?" Then one sunny morning, her friends called to her, "Tina, come play with us. It's so much fun." Tina smiled, but her tiny feet stayed on the dry ground. She whispered softly, "Maybe tomorrow." That night, Tina looked up at the stars. "I want to try," she said. "I just need a little courage." The moon glowed over Turtle Cove. The stars sparkled. The pond was still. Tina closed her eyes and whispered to herself, "I am small, but I am brave." She smiled and fell asleep, dreaming of swimming. The next morning, the sun rose bright and golden. Birds chirped. The water sparkled like diamonds. Tina walked slowly, step by step, toward the pond. Like one foot in, then another. She looked back. Her heart was pounding. Then she took a deep breath and splash. She was swimming, floating in the water. Her little legs were paddling. Tina shouted, "I'm doing it! I'm really doing it!" Freddy the frog did a happy flip. Daisy flapped her wings in joy. Her sister Tara waved from the water. Tina smiled the biggest turtle smile. She spun in a little circle. A butterfly fluttered above her shell. She felt happy. She felt brave. From that day on, Tina swam every morning. She played tag with her friends. She floated with the breeze. And then new turtles came to the pond. Some of them were scared too. Tina smiled and said kindly, "It's okay to be scared. I was scared too. But once you try, you will fly. Well, swim." And that was the story of Tina the tiny turtle's big day.